This song's called Scowl.
Everyone a winner for me. British Birds live in session, That Monster, followed by Scowl. As I say, if you're going to go and see Lovely Eggs or the Bug Club, get there early and make sure that you see the band playing, because as you've just heard, they are brilliant. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you so much.
Cheers, man. Nice one.
See you in show business.